Today I want to review for you the Smart Plug by Kasa. This has been a wonderful addition for our home. Let me tell you about this. If you're not familiar with a smart plug yet, you've got to get some for your home. It's a smart home Wi-Fi outlet. It works with your Alexa, your Echo, your Google Home, or IFTTT. No hub is required, remote control, 15 amp, UL certified. I bought the white. They come in white. You can get them in different packs and different sizes. But let me tell you what we use these for. You can plug your devices, your lamps, different things around your home, and you can program your Alexa, your Echo, your Google Home to work these devices and make them come on and go off. And it has been so easy. We have ours set up around the home, and we can say, Alexa, good night, and all the lights go off in the house that are connected to one of these. We can say, Alexa, good morning, and it turns on the lights that we have programmed to turn on. I especially enjoy these smart plugs at Christmas time. So I set up my Christmas tree with one of these, so I can just tell it, Alexa, turn on the Christmas tree, and it pops the Christmas tree, or any of the other lighted decorations that I have around the house. So if you have not, it's not difficult to do. It really is not difficult to set up if you already have an Alexa or a Google or Echo or anything like that. But these are great additions to make your home a little bit easier to live in. How about that? So I suggest you put it in your cart today.